In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add services on Fresha, one of the leading platforms for beauty and wellness business management. Whether you're setting up your services for the first time or looking to update your existing offerings, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring a smooth and successful addition to your Fresha profile. Let's begin by navigating to the Fresha for Business page. You can do so by typing https://www.fresha.com/for-business into your web browser. This link will take you directly to the page designed specifically for business users like you, looking to leverage Fresha's extensive network and features. Once you've reached the Fresha for Business page, the next step is to log in. Look for the Login button on the website. It's usually located in the top right corner. Clicking on this will bring up the login options. Since Fresha offers a streamlined experience, you'll want to select the For Business option, which caters specifically to service providers and business managers. For an even smoother login process, Fresha allows you to sign in using your Google account. This is particularly handy if you want to reduce the number of passwords you need to remember, or if you're already logged into your Google account on your browser. Simply click on Sign in using Google, and you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you wish to use for Fresha. After signing in, it's time to get down to the business of adding your services. Begin by locating the Catalog tab. You can find this tab within your Fresha dashboard. It's designed to help you manage all your service offerings in one place. If you've never added a service before, this section might look a bit empty, but we're about to change that. Within the Catalog tab, you'll see an option to add a new service. This is where your journey to expanding your Fresha service offerings really begins. Click on Add to open up a new page where you can input the details of your service. Now you will input your service name. This is the name your customers will see when browsing your services, so make sure it's clear and descriptive. For example, if you're adding a haircut service, you could name it women's haircut or men's haircut to specify the service. Next, specify your service type. Here you're categorizing your service to help Fresha understand what kind of offering it is. This could be anything from hairdressing to nail services or even massage. Selecting the right category helps Fresha promote your services to the right customers. The next important detail is setting a price for your service. Pricing is crucial because it not only affects your profitability, but also your attractiveness to potential clients. Enter the amount you'll charge for the service, bearing in mind your costs, the market rate, and the perceived value of your service. Finally, once all the necessary details have been filled in, it's time to save your work. Look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom or top right corner of the page. By clicking Save, you're confirming all the information you've entered and officially adding the service to your Fresha catalog. Congratulations! You've just added a new service to your Fresha profile. Repeat these steps as necessary to include all the services you offer, ensuring each one is clearly named, appropriately categorized, and correctly priced. Remember, a well-organized and comprehensive service catalog is key to attracting and retaining clients. Adding services to your Fresha profile not only enhances your business's visibility, but also streamlines the booking process for your clients. With each service clearly listed and described, clients can easily choose what they need, making bookings faster and more efficient, ultimately leading to increased satisfaction and repeat business. If you encounter any difficulties while following these steps, or if you have any questions, remember that Fresha offers support to its business users. Don't hesitate to reach out for help or consult their FAQs for quick answers. In summary, by keeping your service offerings up to date on Fresha, you're ensuring your business remains competitive and compelling to both new and returning customers. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Whether you're new to Fresha or looking to refine your existing setup, I hope you found these instructions helpful. Here's to the growth and success of your beauty or wellness business on Fresha.